Goodwill brings to you the weekly share market update dated the 25th of March 2023. For the development in the corporate segment, we have BSVI second phase emission norms are set to kick in the country from April 1st. Conforming to the stricter emission norms, Tata Motors has upgraded its passenger vehicle portfolio. Adani Enterprises share price dropped nearly 3.5% on Monday, March 20th. After billionaire Gautam Adani-led conglomerate suspended work on a major petrochemical project in Gujarat's Mundra. The Adani Group wants to focus on resources to consolidate operations and address investor concerns, following a damning report by a US-based short seller. Adani Enterprises Limited, the group's flagship company, has established a wholly owned subsidiary in 2021 called Mundra Petrochem Limited to build a greenfield coal-to-PVC facility on Adani ports and special economic zone property in Gujarat's Kutch area. The leading two-wheeler makers Hero MotoCorp on Wednesday announced it will hike the price on selected vehicles by 2%, due to cost increases on account of the onboard diagnostics transition. Amid this, Hero MotoCorp is not the only firm that hiked the price of vehicles. Earlier this week, Tata Motors also joined the trend and informed customers that it will increase the price of all commercial vehicles by up to 5%. Global Surfaces shares listed at 17% premium over IPO price on NSE and BSE amid a negative domestic market. The share debuted at 164 rupees on the NSE, as compared to the issue price of 140 rupees. The scrip touched a high of 23% at 172.2 rupees. A positive listing was expected as ahead of the market debut. Global Surfaces shares were trading at a premium of 18 rupees in the grey market. Reliance Consumer Products Limited, the FMCG arm and wholly owned subsidiary of Reliance Retail Ventures Limited, the holding company for all retail businesses under Reliance Industries Limited, announced on March 22 the launch of distinct brands for products across bath, hygiene, laundry, home care and other categories as part of the expansion of its FMCG portfolio. Reliance retail products will now be accessible through all channels, enabling all retailers, including Kirana stores, to provide consumers with a large selection of daily need products. The centre announced a disinvestment of up to 3.5% stake in Hindustan Aeronautics to raise about 2,867 rupees crore. The floor price for the offer has been set at 2,450 rupees per equity share, at a discount of 6.7%, to the closing price of 2,625 rupees per share on the BSE on Wednesday. L&T entered into a binding agreement with McPhy Energy, a France-based leading electrolyzer technology and manufacturing company, for a long-term partnership to explore the opportunities unfolding in the emerging green hydrogen market. Under this partnership, McPhy will grant an exclusive license of its pressurized alkaline electrolyzer technology to L&T for manufacturing of electrolyzers, including future product upgrades. Atlanta Limited has moved up by 26.38% this week, with a change of 3.35 points. It has traded with a net volume of 88,000 shares. The share is currently trading at the price level of 16.05 against the previous closing price of 12.7. Meanwhile, the share price is trading above its moving average 13.8, which is a good indication for the stock. Atai Drugs has moved up by 21.92% this week, with a change of 69.5 points. It has traded with a net volume of 27.28 million shares. The share is currently trading at the price level of 386.6 against the previous closing price of 317.1. Sundesh Limited has moved up by 19.95% this week, with a change of 164.9 points. It has traded with a net volume of 152,000 shares. The share is currently trading at the price level of 991.5 against the previous closing price of 826.6. Meanwhile, the share price is trading above its moving average 899.4, which is a good indication for the stock. The stock has made the highest move to 1044 points this week. Now, let's see Nifty and BANKNIFTY movement and expectations. Markets were highly volatile in this week, with Nifty closing around 16,945 levels. In this week, Nifty shed 155 points. Considering the bearish sentiments, markets are expected to remain negative in the coming week. The index has formed a red candle this week. As we can see, the Bollinger Bands, 17,400 levels will be acting as a resistance for short term, whereas this week's low of 16,825 will act as immediate support for the near term. Nifty Bank was seen less negative than Nifty 50 this week. It fell 203 points or 0.51% this week. Buyers were seen strong around 38,800 levels in Nifty Bank. In the coming week, Nifty Bank is expected to move down as important support level of 39,500 is breached. Important support level for Bank Nifty for next week can be 39,200 as depicted by Bollinger Bands in the charts. As for resistance, 40,800 will act as an immediate resistance for Bank Nifty. After that, next resistance can be 41,500. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, email or WhatsApp. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Please do like, share and subscribe our video for the latest updates in the stock market.